Hey guys, Mike here with a new tutorial. This is just how to do the CC lens effect in Vegas. Now you may have already seen this, but my version is much more fluid, smooth, and it looks better like the After Effects one, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is insert a new video track by just right clicking here, insert video track. Alright, find the point where you want to shoot. In my case it's right here. I can see a little muzzle flash right there. And you're going to want to drag in the let's see what it is, color gradient and elliptical ring. So you guys can do that, but I already have one, so I'm gonna drag it in here as a preset. And here's the settings you're gonna want: 59.9 with a 0.220, and your ring may not be as spread out as mine, but yours should still look good. And then save that so you can use it later. You also want it to be, yeah, like that. Should be looking like that, because if you have an HD PVR widescreen, it's gonna look like a perfect circle. Alright, the next step is to click here. This is called compositing mode on your new track. Just click to your first and click here. Then go up to custom, click it, and then click Sony height map. Double click that. Now it'll make it like the wavy effect, but low extrusion I don't find to look too well. I mean, it looks fine, but here are my settings. They look a lot better. And yeah, so just check these out. You can change them around, but my settings are actually really pretty damn good. So smoothness of 20, height scale 0.947, elevation 0.098, and amplitude 0.121, and make sure that the edge handling is wrap pixels around. So yeah, alright, and that's basically it. Now you have to keyframe it out, or it's just going to keep a circle. So at the start here, just press pan crop, and at the start here, first thing, you're going to want to zoom out as much as possible. So let me just scroll out here, and you're going to drag it. Oops, not that. Okay, let me just make it default here. Alright, and you're going to want to drag it out as much as possible so it's like a small circle. So let's check that out. That's about good. And then shortly after, you want your blast out thing to end, your CC lens effect, I'm going to say right here at 500, you are going to click oh shit, I clicked on mask, my bad. You're going to click default and then zoom it into the circle. So around here is good. Okay, so now if we just click through this here, let me go back. The effects, let me load it up. My computer's running slow because I'm recording, but go through the steps here. I shoot, and the effect starts, and it waves out pretty fast. And to adjust the speed, all you have to do really is drag your position further of zooming in, and then I'll make sure that it zooms out slower here. So that's pretty much how you do the effect. Now, one thing I do recommend is right-clicking on these and making sure they're not linear but smooth. This also makes it look a lot better. And that is how to do the CC lens effect in Vegas. Don't worry about the color correction, but the only effect we're focusing on here is this lens effect. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if this helped you out. And I know that someone, RobTazor I believe it is, already made this video, but I'm pretty sure mine looks a lot better. So thanks, and subscribe. This has been Mike. Alright, bye.